Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a Little Mix inspired makeup tutorial. I recently watched the Woman Like Me music video by them and oh my god, my heart was dying. I've been a big supporter of Little Mix for literally since they started. I actually went to their concert last year in Australia and I was a VIP and I got to watch their, rehearsals before their concert, and oh my god, they're like this generation's version of the Spice Girls. If any oldies from back in the day remember them, oh, they're just the best. But today I'm inspired to do Jade's makeup tutorial. And it's royal blue, it's beautiful. Everyone I feel like goes for Perry. As much as I love Perry, I want to give the other girls a fair shot. So I'm going to be doing all 4 looks today. This is when in the music video they're on these like brass scales type of thing. I don't know what to call it. But they're on there and they just have the most beautiful look. If you hear my voice like very, I'm coming down with something, so ignore my voice. But anyway, let's get on to today's video. Okay, so this is the makeup look I am going for. This is Jade right as she's in the middle of singing, so don't mind the actual screenshot. But as you can see, it's like a royal blue, sort of like a Tarte's blue shade. And I've actually got those shades from Makeup Geek, so it's very inexpensive, very cheap. But once again, use whatever shadows you have at your collection. Now, I've already primed my lids using the MAC Paint Pot and Painterly, which is my favourite. I'm just going to zoom you guys. Which way zoom? There we are. Okay, so I'm going to zoom you guys in. There we are. That's gone to the bathroom. Okay. So I'm just going to put on some tape. Which I've already got out. Just so it will help me with that V shape that she's done. And we're all good to go. So, once again, all these shadows in Makeup Geek, I'll list them all in the description box below. But my brushes are going everywhere. I need a cup. I don't have a cup. That's right. I'll just leave them here. So the first shade I'm going to go in is Vanilla Bean, which is just to set my what's it called, eyeshadow primer all over the lid. Just set it down so it doesn't crease and everything. Don't know if you guys can see. Okay, so now that that's settled in, I'm going to take Latte by Makeup Geek for my transition shade. Now, in the photo, she doesn't have a transition shade, but I want to try to make this a bit more wearable and instead of like the actual thing. So I'm just going to take Latte as a transition shade on a Sigma blending E25 brush, which looks like this. I'm just going to tap it off. And then I'm just going to chuck that in the crease. Just like that. And then obviously build it up as you go along. I'm planning to do all 4. So next I was thinking to do Jessie. And then I'll do Leanne and then Perry last. I'm thinking that's how I'm going to go. If you love Little Mix as much as I do, who is your favourite and why? I personally love Leanne and Perry. They're my favourite. I love that Leanne is speaking out on her social media about, it's okay to be who you are and you don't have to worry about, being black or white or a different shade of skin colour. I just think it's beautiful that she's giving out that notice and speaking positively. Anyway, next I'm going to take the shade called Boo Berry, which is this like bright, I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Come on. No? Ah, here we go. So it's just this bright shade, blue shade type of thing. Just going to pack that on a concealer brush, which is by Sigma, which is the F70. Just going to pack that on and throw it all over the lid. And drag it out a bit to form a V shape. This is just going to help the next stage of the one that will really make a pop. I'm just building up the colour. Just so it looks something like this. In the photo, it is very sharp points, and obviously there's like a cut crease, but I'm not good at cut creases, so if you, I don't know if you guys can be able to tell, but it was like got a cut crease in there, so that's what I'm trying to do with the tape, but at the same time not bothering with the concealer. So now that's on, I'm going to move on to the other eye. And this is where not doing foundation before your eyeshadow will come in handy, because you can use your foundation and concealer to you know, fix up your mistakes and everything, which I find that very helpful. Okay, so now that that's on, we're just going to take this foiled eyeshadow by Makeup Geek. I think this is called Center Stage. It's just this beautiful shade. It's very like this gorgeous Tarte's blue shade. Can you tell I'm a big Doctor Who fan? Anyway, I'm just going to take this on this Exo Beauty vegan eyeshadow brush and spritz it with Fix Plus just to help the eyeshadow pop. And I'm going to place that all over where I just applied that blue. I find if you don't add that blueberry shade, I find that it just doesn't make this shadow pop. It's like a base, if you will. And if you mess up in the inner corner here, you can always clean that up with a makeup wipe, which is what I will do later. So that's what it actually looks like. My favourite Little Mix song by far is Shout Out to My Ex. I think it's a very fun like breakup song, not to anyone in particular. And I also like Hair. I love that music video. And my other favourite song from them is I Won't. Oh, I can listen to that all day. Now, comment down below which is your favourite song by Little Mix. Okay, so that's practically it. Then you're just going to get a makeup wipe and clean out the inner corners. As I said, it's going to be very, I just bumped the camera, very short, very quick, nothing too crazy. And then you are going to get just like a plain blending brush. This is a Sigma Tapered blending E40 brush. Nothing on the brush, and I'm just going to blend out the colour a bit more. Now she obviously has false lashes, in this video, but I'm not comfortable still applying false lashes. I think they actually scare me. Like, I don't know, I don't like the idea of false lashes, so I'm just going to use Benefit Roller Lash on my lashes and just curl them. But yeah, and there's no liquid no eyeliner, nothing like that. It's just basically this. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back for the finished look. And this is the final makeup look. What do you guys think? I'll give you a close-up. So I went with like a bronzy cheek area, dark nude, well, not really dark, but it's a brownie nude lip. But these are the eyes. And this is what Jade looks like in the video. Oh, obviously she has a glossier lip than mine, but I don't wear gloss. I find it sticks to your lips and you have to have commitment for it, which I don't. But her brows are like naturally filled in. So I just went with the Benefit Gimmie Brow to fill mine in. And then I just, as I said, she obviously used falsies, but I just used Benefit Roller Lash to give that illusion and curls them. And I used Madly for my NARS Madly blush for my cheeks and a bit of fuller bronzer. This side looks a bit splotchier than this side, but we'll ignore that. But yeah, this is Jade's inspired makeup look. So next I was thinking of doing a Jessie. Now I'll show you a photo of Jessie. Where is it? So Jessie has this like orange shade all over her eyes. So that's who I was thinking of doing next, just to be like more wearable. Then I was thinking of doing Leanne, which is just really standard pink eyeliner, but there's a bit of definition in her crease. And then I was going to do Perry as the finale because this bright purple shade is giving me life. So let me know who you guys want me to do next. I'll take requests if you guys want that. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe so you don't miss out on any future Little Mix eyeshadow inspired looks, and leave a comment down below who you want me to do next, who's your favorite, what song you like. If you like Little Mix, if you like someone else, let me know. I would love to chat with you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.